You guys for coming back for another video, and if this is your first time, welcome. I like to make mixed drinks. I'm not really into shots, so I'm just gonna get right into the video. Everything you see is everything you'll need: sugar, water, your favorite liquor. Mine is Don Julio. Okay, where my tequila fans at? Some lemonade and some lemons. All right, we're going to get into it. We need a pan, obviously measuring cup, paring knife, and I got some pre-cut lemons already over there, but I will demonstrate towards the end of the video on how to achieve what I did. All right, just showing another demonstration. You guys, I really, really appreciate you guys for tuning in, supporting my channel, and watching me work. Small jobs accomplished. All right, we got that 1 cup of water. We got less than a cup of sugar. I didn't want it super sweet. We're gonna mix that together, stirring that, and we're getting ready to boil that on the pot. We got our pot on medium high. Gonna whisk that up. Just make sure all the sugar is dissolved. Pretty much give it a good whisk. Getting ready to put it in the pan. The pan is already in the stove hot, so it's about to just do its thing. It's hot, it's sizzling, it's popping everywhere. It's on my phone. It's all on the stove. That sugar and water is kind of hard to get up, believe it or not. I was very surprised. I hope everyone is having a good day. We're getting towards the weekend, and it's just time to relax, unwind, collect your thoughts, and enjoy a good drink. Am I wrong? All right, moving along. We're going to get that 1.5 cups of lemonade, and it requires 2 cups, but you're going to see why I only use that much in just a second. I love Simply. You could use any kind of lemonade you want. You can make your homemade lemonade. It is totally up to you. I just love Simply products. Now that I got that mixed together, we're going to measure 1/3, or is it 1/3? 1/2 cup of Don Julio. And then I add just a splash. I added a little bit more because, me and my home girls are going to enjoy these. So I just put just a little bit more. This is for girls' night, ladies' night. So a little more won't hurt. I want it to be a little creeper drink for them. All right, and this is why I saved a little bit of room, because I took that lemon juice that I had from carving out the lemons, and I'm straining it, and I'm putting it in that measuring cup. It went over 2 cups, but it's going to be okay. It's going to work out, and the drinks are still going to be delicious. All right, getting into the cutting process. Please be very, very careful with those knives, because they are no joke. Finger cuts are not fun at all. So we are going around the inside in a circle and try to get as much of the lemon out from the peel. It might not be a clean cut, but it's going to be okay. You got to go around, keep going around, feel down. If you get holes through the bottom, that's okay as well. Don't worry about it, because you're not going to freeze the lemon with the material, because that's just not going to work. All right, and then once you do that, we're just going to carve the lemon out, get as much lemon out. It was so juicy. Like, I've never carved a lemon, So just to see how much juice was in there, and how sour it is, I actually, off camera, I was eating the lemons, and I was just like, they just, I love sour stuff, but I like sweet stuff. So grapefruit is good too. I really want to try something with grapefruit next. So we'll see. But it takes some time to scrape this out, you guys. Just take your time, no rush. That's why I like to do stuff like this at night. I did do this at night and froze it over and finished the video this morning, like 6 o'clock in the morning. But, job has to get done. I'm having fun, and I hope you're having fun watching. And I really hope that you try this out, events, girls' night, summertime. It's just fun. So I'm straining, done straining. Nope, I got a little bit more to strain left. Look at all that juice, you guys. That's the lemon that I was going to eat off camera. It tastes so good, too. All right, now that we got that done, we're getting ready to mix this water and sugar. It has been boiling, and now I am going to turn it off, and I pretty much let it sit aside and simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes to make sure it was really, really cooled down and got a little bit thick. It didn't get super thick, but it was thick enough to do its job. It wasn't syrupy. And that's what I'm trying to get to. It wasn't syrupy like it was supposed to be, but I didn't want a lot, even though a cup of sugar is a lot. I didn't put as much as it said, so I didn't want a whole cup of sugar in this little amount of drink. It just didn't sit in my mind right. Anyways, we're putting that lemonade and Don Julio in the water and sugar, whisking that up, mixing it together really good, making sure everything is dissolved and evenly mixed. And we're going to put it in that small Pyrex pan. I could have got a bigger one, a longer one, shall I say, if I knew it was going to be so thick, because you want to have a shallow pan. But it still ended up doing its job, like I said. So everything worked out. Drink is good. It is a slow creeper, and I am so excited to show you guys the end results. Getting some foil, getting ready to put that bad boy in the freezer. It says 2 to 3 hours or 6 hours, but like I said, I made this at night and I finished this morning. So it had some time to freeze over, even though it was still slushy. And, liquor doesn't necessarily freeze, so it's not going to be like an ice cube frozen. It's going to be slushy. So that is the good thing about this drink. Alrighty. We have finished and completed the task. It seemed like a little bit, but it wasn't a lot. Easy and simple. Go do what you gotta do. Come back. Started scraping some up, and now we just gonna fill those lemons. I did put the lemons in the refrigerator overnight in a container so they can stay preserved. And we are just filling those bad boys up. It smells so good. I'm so excited. My friends are gonna be excited. I have plenty of mix to go get more lemons and fill them up, or we can just have refills. Bottomless, endless refills. Just kidding. It's not that much left, but it's enough to at least have 2 to 3 servings per person out of 3 people. Maybe 4. I might have to go get one more lemon and fill it. and just make some juice or add the juice to the lemon juice that I have left over because I do not want to throw it out. Look at those. They are so cute, you guys. We have plenty left over. I'm going to put that in the freezer. As you see, I'm giving it a thumbs up. I had to try that mix to make sure that liquor was hitting. And this is the final result. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, share. Thank you so much. Have a good day.